Hi again, friends. It's Miss Margaret. Oh, 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 shoo! Oh, I had to sneeze. Did you notice when I sneezed, I did this? It's kind of like almost like a sneeze dab. Yeah. Hmm. It's funny that happened because guess what? We have another story to tell today. This one, yep, you're right, an Elephant and Piggy book. This one is Pigs Make Me Sneeze by Mo Williams. Hmm. Let's find out what's going on here. Gerald, what do you want to do today? I want a, a, yes, a, 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 a what? A, a, a ball? A swim? A hat? Choo! Whoa, that was a big sneeze. Sniff. Are you okay? I I do not know. I Achoo! I cannot stop Achoo! Sneezing. Oh no. What if? What if? What if pigs make me sneeze? Hmm? Achoo! What if you tried to sneeze more softly? Sorry. But if pigs do make me sneeze, then I cannot be near you. Then we cannot be friends. Then we must be apart forever. But, Gerald, no, do not speak. It is too late. I, uh, 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 phew. Goodbye. Gerald? Question. Sniff. Are you okay, Gerald? No, I'm not okay, Dr. Cat. Pigs make me sneeze. And Piggy is a pig. Piggy is also my best friend. Achoo! Great. Now cats make me sneeze too. Fud. I do not think pigs make you sneeze. I do not think cats make you sneeze. I think you have a cold. A cold? were sick. I am sick? Oh, thank you, doctor. Piggy, great news. I have a cold. Oh, good for you. The end. Friends, that was a silly book. But you know what it talked a lot about sneezing. And maybe we were able to kind of show our friends and practice what we should be doing if we have to sneeze or somebody around us has to sneeze. Remember, in your arm, cover your mouth. Let's all stay healthy and safe, okay? All right. I love you. Bye, friends. I'll see you next time. Mwah.